what's going on next in a Safemoon? They going up or they fails down? Absolutely very amazing question of all holder. And what's my prediction? Do they go up in upcoming days or they fails down? What's the target of Safemoon? CEO of CEO Safemoon as targeting now. Very good, my friend. So I hope they can hit the target. And what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Absolutely buy. Absolutely, this is very important, my friend. So kindly, before I get started the prediction of a Safemoon, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative videos. My friend, as you can see here, this time they already starting moving up. So this is in the start of video good news for everyone, my friend. You can see here plus 6.67% in the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, this is the latest price. You can see here 0.0006 USD dollar, my friend, as the latest price. And the target of today is just 0.0010 US dollar, my friend. I hope they can hit 0.0010 USD dollar. What you say, can they can hit it? I hope they can hit it, my friend. So let's see the last 7 days price prediction, my friend, to what's going on in the last 7 days and what's they say, my friend. As you can see here, Safemoon is one of the fastest cryptocurrency of this last week, my friend. You can see here they take a jump like a rocket, the resistance line. You can see here hit here, my friend, and also here, my friend. So you can see here after this hit they falls down again, my friend, and after this jump also they falls down, my friend, and that's the point to they change again. They starting moving off. Congratulations, my friend. 376.98% they gone up. So this is not a small change, and you can see here here as 0.0009 US dollar. So they already hit it 0.10, my friend, but this time you can see here the price is very badly decreased in the last 1 hour. So therefore, my friends, the target is 0.10 US dollar again today. I hope they can hit it today, but after this result, I think I'm going to buy more. So I think this is very good time to you buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. So thanks for watching, my friends. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And Safemoon holder, you all are also all holder are my friend, because I'm also holder of Safemoon. So kindly keep touch with us, subscribe and press bell icon. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.